Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the Wi-Fi no hardware installed problem on your MacBook. This issue usually appears when the Wi-Fi service gets removed from network settings or macOS stops detecting the wireless adapter correctly. Let's go through the fixes step by step. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will open. From there, click System Settings and wait for the settings window to fully load. Once it opens, look at the left sidebar and scroll until you find Network. Click on it once. Now look toward the right side of the screen. If Wi-Fi is missing completely or shows no hardware installed, we'll manually add the Wi-Fi service back. Near the bottom of the left section, click the small plus button. A new window will appear asking you to choose an interface. Click the drop-down menu beside Interface and select Wi-Fi from the list. Leave the service name as Wi-Fi. Then click Create. After that, move to the bottom right corner and click Apply. Give macOS a few seconds to refresh the network settings. In many cases, the Wi-Fi icon will immediately return to the menu bar and start scanning for available networks again. If the Wi-Fi option appears but still does not connect, click on Wi-Fi inside the network settings. Then turn Wi-Fi off using the toggle switch, wait about 5 seconds, and turn it back on again. Sometimes the wireless service simply needs to restart properly before it begins working again. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's try another fix. Stay inside System Settings, then go to General from the left sidebar. On the right side, click Software Update and wait for macOS to check for updates. If you see an update available, install it. Wi-Fi problems are often caused by system bugs, and newer macOS updates usually include network fixes and driver improvements. After the update finishes, restart your MacBook normally and test the Wi-Fi again. If none of these fixes work and the message still says no hardware installed, the problem could be related to the internal Wi-Fi hardware itself. In that case, professional repair may be needed. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Wi-Fi no hardware installed issue on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.